So hey everyone, welcome to Vectrix Lab. So let's get started first. Go to your Chrome or Google, then search, get into PC Adobe Illustrator. So when you hit the Enter button, you are seeing many versions. Add 20, 21, and then press Enter. Click the first link coming, you will be and now you see the download icon. Press it. I have the software already installed, by the way. I am continuing to Adobe Illustrator. Sorry, but my video got stuck outline this and grouped the following lines, so here I messed up. But you are watching Vectrix Lab, so we can make anything possible. We have to color, but Adobe doesn't allow you to color it without shapes closed. So I am right now very frustrated. I have no idea what I am doing, right? Seriously. Why didn't I get that early? So let's go and head to the next step. Place a triangle from following shape and place it in the space to fill it with green. Now the lines, or what should we say? I don't know. Just follow the steps I am doing. The most difficult part, I have no idea how to create this. Things face, like creating teeth, are easy. but the inner red things are not. Like I think right now I am cooked. I am feeling like I am creating the triple T in Adobe Illustrator. It is very difficult to shape the triangle. Now the easy part come the teeths. I think I am creating a crocodile, so the image is ready. Now I export it. So look at the results. It's looking nice. So I will upload the image in description so you guys can create it easily. So we had enough today? Like and subscribe. See you all in the next one. Bye and peace. Vectrix Lab.